Hi, I want to talk to you today about staph infection and some of the things you can do to prevent it and treat it if you already have it. The first thing that I would recommend that you do, if you can, is to move to the desert. If you move to a place like Arizona where humidity is extremely low, then you're probably not going to have any more trouble with staph. And if you don't have staph, you'll probably never get it. So if you're in the position to do that, then that's one easy way to prevent staph. Uh, the second thing I would recommend that you do is keep your sinuses clean. Wash them. You can use a neti pot to keep them clean every day. You can do a nasal rinse to shrink up the tissues if you're having inflammation of your sinuses. Uh, but keep them clean. Also, breathe in melaleuca oil to prevent the staph from forming. Most people get the staph bacteria first is in their nose, in their sinuses. Okay, the next thing you can do is treat all wounds immediately, no matter how small. You can take a soft bristled toothbrush with some hydrogen peroxide and just gently rub the wound to get it clean. Then put some betadine on it and put a Band-Aid over it. Okay. The third thing you can do is take hot showers every day with soap. Most people don't do that. Very dry. I don't like it, but there are some soaps that are better than others. But it's better than getting staph. So take a hot shower every day with soap. The next thing you can do, if you're having a lot of trouble, I have in the past, I just use straight Clorox. That's what they used in World War I to treat and prevent infections. And I found that if I'm careful with it, you can brush it with the toothbrush, but be very, very careful with the Clorox. It can burn or cover my wound if I'm using Clorox. I just use it as a way to kill the bacteria that's on the skin. So that's another thing. And then the last thing you can do preventative is to take grass juice, eat grass juice or some kind of green grass powder every day. Especially wheatgrass juice is really good for staph prevention. Okay, now if you already have staph, uh, really the thing that I can tell you to do, what I've found effective to me, and I've tried different methods, doctor and all that, didn't really work. What works for me is keeping the wound clean. If I feel any presence of pain, even just a little bit of pain, it amazes me sometimes how much blood and pus and fluid I can get out of that small wound and squeeze it. But sometimes I have to prick it, and of course I disinfect the needle with alcohol or betadine or whatever to make sure the needle's clean. But I will prick that wound. Not to prick it too much, though. You don't want to make too many points of entry where the bacteria can reinfect itself. So, but I found that just keep eye will uh, get rid of the staph. And also, you can use all the above prevention methods. Continue to use that if you have staph, and it will also help in the treatment. I've posted a link below this video for more information about staph, and I hope that you have gotten something useful out of this video, and thanks for your time. Bye-bye.